The future of transportation has arrived. Elon Musk has just revealed Tesla's game-changing Robotaxi at a spectacular event, and it's unlike anything we've ever seen before. Say goodbye to steering wheels, pedals, and even human drivers, because the autonomous revolution is here. Let's face it, today's transportation sucks, it's expensive, unsafe, and far from sustainable. But Tesla is about to change all that. On October 10th, at a packed event in Los Angeles, Elon Musk showcased the next evolution in Tesla's journey, a sleek, two-door Robotaxi with futuristic gull-wing doors, no steering wheel, and no pedals. This fully autonomous vehicle is set to hit production in 2026 with a price tag of under $30,000. The Robotaxi is powered entirely by artificial intelligence and cameras, with no need for the expensive sensors and hardware like LiDAR used by rivals. Tesla's unique vision is that these AI-driven cars will be incredibly affordable, costing as little as 20 cents per mile to operate. Not only is it the most affordable option in the autonomous space, but it's also cheaper to run than traditional vehicles, and the best part? It's always your car when you need it, no more waiting or sharing. And that's not all. Musk also introduced a larger vehicle called the Robovan, designed to carry up to 20 people autonomously. The Robovan is set to revolutionize public transport, offering an eco-friendly, autonomous solution for large groups and urban mobility. With Tesla's Robotaxis and Robovans, passengers will be able to hail rides directly through an app, making transportation more convenient and cost-effective than ever. Tesla is shifting gears from being just a car manufacturer to becoming a robotics company at its core. As Musk said at the event, the autonomous future is here, and he believes Tesla's role is to lead the world in AI-driven robotics. During the presentation, Tesla even showed off its Optimus humanoid robot, further proving that the company's ambitions go beyond just cars. They're aiming to shape the future of robotics itself. Despite the challenges, Tesla has a track record of pushing boundaries and achieving the impossible. From the game-changing Model S to the bold Cybertruck, Musk and his team have redefined the automotive industry time and time again. Could the Robotaxi be the next major leap? Whether it's the two-door Robotaxi or the larger Robovan, Tesla's vision for a driverless future is bold, daring, and full of potential. With plans to launch fully autonomous taxis in Texas and California as soon as next year, the road to an autonomous world is closer than we think. So, what do you think? Are you ready for a future where you can summon a Tesla Robotaxi with just a tap on your phone? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates on Tesla, Elon Musk, and the future of transportation.